Have a look at this little fountain that's in the middle of the... What is this? What do you call this? An actress ship? This is in the corner of nowhere.
It's actually a easement.
Okay, that word, look at that. And now water is bubbling. Oh my God. And look at this sexy beast here, wearing his little shorts, the red top, put his hand through the little bit of hair that he has left. I shouldn't say much because he has more than me.
Any deeper I could get the tin
Let's
out.
go. Come on man, let's go. What? Where's what? Ah, you're looking for the footpath or...
Yes, I'm looking for the bloody footpath.
Come on, just go on the road man, who cares? What? Fucking what? Okay, let's have a look over there. Come on, Kira. I've got a walking stick right here. That helped me move. It's a walking stick now, man. I mean, ma'am. Okay, let's stand on top of this thing. Oh, someone help, please. Oh, phone! You saw a full job going through there.
Step over.
I want to see if I can hold. I want to see if I can get on this. Over. Ah.
Quick, someone push him.
Get in the world.
Quick, someone push him.
I know where you live, girl. I know where she lives, believe me. Just my niece, man. And so is this one. She's my niece too. Good teamwork. I didn't even try to help you if I did.
Don't get my pockets where my iPod's in there.
Hey, there's more people coming to give a show. Let's have a look at this one. Oh, that'll just hit my left ankle again. Fuck. No, I don't know where the... Oh, there it is. Found the gutter. I found the gutter. The gutter's right there. The gutter's right here. See, it's right here. It's somewhere here. There it is. There's that gutter. Come on. Okay, let's go to the deep end. Let's stop being wusses in this shallow baby side. Let's go to the deep end over there.
I hope my iPod doesn't get fucked because of this.
Then don't put your iPod in the water. If you put your iPod in the water, it's gonna get screwed up. Hello. Come on in. Hey, how you doing, man? Alright, do a burnout! Burnout! I'm getting attacked by water. Come on, burnout! Do a burnout! Oh my God, look at that! This is definitely going on YouTube. I want to do this. I'm going to go here and do a burnout, but I got... If I had a manual and I had a full drive, I would be doing a burnout. My shorts are getting wet!
My jeans are getting wet.
My shorts are getting wet! I found something to stand... that hurt. Whatever that was to stand on, it hurt my foot.
I'm up to my knees in this water.
So am I.
But it is fun. And
it's look! Oh shit, it's glass! It's a BB glass! That I stood on, I wonder it hurt!
Okay, I'm not walking in the water.
I stood on a glass of BB! No wonder it hurt! Ow! First my head, now my foot! Oh shit, found the gutter, found the gutter. Have a look at the path over here, man. Oh my God. This used to be all glass. Oh, it's actually going down. Awesome. Oh my. Oh, that one's contemplating which side of the road should it go. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. There's a few other people who are going to... Oh shit, I fell in the fucking water. Why? You're just going to get them wet. It's better to get your feet wet than your shoes. At least it's easier to dry your feet. Oh my God, the water's actually quicker over here. Oh yeah, look at that. That's pushing my feet away. Oh shit, oh shit. Fell over. Here comes another car. I gotta view this car. Monitor every single thing that it does if these people get out of the way. And now it's contemplating what to do. It's contemplating what to do. What's it going to do? Is it going to go right? Is it going to go left? Is it going to follow the rules? And yes, it is. It's going to stay as close to the animal as possible. It's keeping the one window down. Why? I do not know. Oh, here's one. Here's one. It's going to go through the deep end. Oh, yeah. Oh, worse. Worse, worse, worse. Worse. I wish she was running. Oh, have a look at this thing. Fat large. Oh my god, she's fat. So rude.
Oh, she's got guts.
Oh, yes, you can tell because she's eating a lot of food. Hey, I got something caught on my foot. I think it was seaweed. How the heck can we get seaweed in the middle of the reservoir? We're nowhere near the ocean. I'm really enjoying this walking stick.
Who wants to go for a swim? I got my babies on. Lol.
That explains.
Shoes here.
What are you wearing shoes in water, man? You're insane.
It's deep.
Yeah, it's deep. Oh, yeah, it's because I stood on that. Yes, it is. Just make sure you don't fall on that VB bottle that I stood on. Hey, woo! I think I knew her.
Catch a wave in it.
It's on my ass. You want to go drive to KFC?
Yeah, so do I.
KFC's that way. Why are we going to go
But
to KFC?
So I can go through the deep end.
No, you should. Bring your car out here. Stand right here to you. Look.
Hey, if I had a manual, I'd be doing a burnout.
I'm afraid there are little fish in this water, so...
No, there's a broken bottle of VB in there. I know, I stood on it. Oh, you're standing on it?
No,
Yeah.
no, that's why I'm standing on the grass.
Oh, I thought you said the glass.
I'm the only one wearing my shoes. Exactly.
Yeah, I already stood on a broken glass of VB.
That's why I put my shoes on. Can you take my
And yeah, I'm coming back for more. Let's see if I can find the rest of the bottle. Oh my god, it's deep in here. My shorts! My shorts! Say my shorts! They're getting wet. Your shorts are not getting wet because they're too high up. Okay, I'm going to go this way. I'm afraid to walk on that grass. Oh, that guy's got the right idea. Look at the shorts he's wearing. Ah, you motherfucker, you knew about this. And I think I just stood on some more glass. I think I just did. Oh, wait, no, this part's softer. That's okay. Edwards Lake. Ooh. Ooh la la. Nah, it's probably going to still be a lake. This is in the middle of the road, man. You're going to go swimming. Careful, there's glass there. Now we've got more people coming in. More people coming for a swim. That's the way. Cross the creek. Ow, more glass. I stood on a bit of VB back there, and I think I found more. Likewise. I did my head 2 days ago, now I'm doing my feet. Damn, I could have got this view. Look, my shorts are wet. Not good, not good. My shorts are wet. Oh, they must have heard us. Hey, you made it to the other side. Hey, I think she's about to go. I think she's about to go. Oh my god, this is going to be fun. This is going to be fun. This is going to be fun. Oh, at least I got to see that. Oh, look how deep that went. This is Christmas Day too. Christmas Day, a month into summer. 31 degrees today and piss pour down rain. This is what happens when it hails. I just missed my foot. Yeah, the rainbow's over there. Now we just got to find the gold. We find the gold, we're fucking set. Ow, I think that was glass. Oh, mate. Oh, yeah, that's better. I don't know what that soft thing is, but that's good. Whatever that soft thing is, it feels good. Oh, yeah, full drive. Yeah, let's see. Burn out, do a burn out. Oh, come on. Oh, car in the way. Oh, okay. Very good. Oh, but you had a bumper bar. You could have ran right through it. This ought to be fun. You missed us.
My jeans are soaking. There's a beetle there.
There's a beetle? Where? Hey, beetle juice. There's the beetle. I think I got the beetle in. Yeah, there it is. Right in the middle. Boy, this is going to be such a boring YouTube clip. But so many boring YouTube clips have a lot of people watching. Hey, let's make a little mini series. Oh my God, they're gonna carry me. Oh, yep. One goes the right way and one goes the wrong way, and now they gotta crisscross. Nah.
I'll stand behind her.
Ow. What for? Because it's burn out.
My knees are red.
Come on, man. Damn.
I've got like 19 minutes of footage.
I could have had more, but Ron turned mine off, the motherfucker, so I had to do another 10.
Fuck.
Yeah, annoying. This is going to be a good YouTube thing, man. Oh, found the gutter. It's over here. The gutter's here where I'm standing. Thank you. Should we go to Edwards Lake?
Oh, yes!
That's what Lonnie was talking about, but we probably better drive there. It might be more like, oh no, but that's uphill, isn't it? Oh, but then it goes downhill. Who wants to get in the car?
I want to walk through our personal lake.
Let's go through our personal. Oh, you'll do what? Why not? Glass, snails, measles. I'm not going to catch measles there, man. Oh, what was that?
There's a freaking spider there and you almost got my phone.
It's not. Oh, it is. It looked like a needles. Oh, you could have told me that before I walked in there, man. And you wanted me to walk through that? You know I'm scared of needles.
I didn't know there were needles down there.
You live here. Kira, are they any of your friends? Are they any of your friends?
Where?
I don't know, I'm asking.
The needles. The needles. Yes.
Should we all go to Edwards Lake now? Should we all go to fucking Edwards Lake?
That's where I'm going.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go. What, we walking there? Why? What are we walking for?
Because it's fun.
Look, we could drive. That'll be even more fun.
I'm sure it will.
Yeah. All I have to do is go inside, figure out where I put my keys. Where did I put my keys? I'm gonna have a problem finding my keys when I get back inside, alright? I know where I put my phone and wallet, but now I remember where I moved them to, but I don't remember taking the keys out.
Where's Christmas? I love
Why isn't it raining?
You want it not to cold?
Nah, I want it to rain. I'm sick of this walking stick. Oh, come on. Let's play for rain. I want that river to get a bit higher. Oh, will Anthony be home yet? Ooh, good question. Lonnie, slow down. Ronnie, slow down. I'm walking barefoot, it fucking hurts. Oh, thank you. Ow, I hurt my left foot.
We're going to Edwards Lake.
Hurrah,
flooded
hurrah.
much
We're going to Edwards Lake. Hurrah, hurrah. We're off to Edwards Lake to see if it's flooding too. And we're all falling. Ronnie is wearing a stupid little hat. Oh no, why did I bag that hat? I'm so sorry. I don't know why I said that.
You deserve to be chokeslammed.
I deserve to be tombstoned.
And then Hell's Gated.
Yeah,
Ew, Kira, you spat.
so do I.
Ew.
Yeah, she got that dirty habit from me. You shouldn't be copying everything I do. That's a dirty habit. At least you're not smoking. That's a good thing. You're not smoking, are you? Oh, there. That's okay then. Yeah, let's go. Oh, that's dry. This sucks. I was hoping to put my imprint in there. I can't run. I really can't run yet. It still hurts my left. And now we're going to slow down for Samantha. She's way back there. Trying to put her shoes back on. Here she comes. Here she comes. There she goes. Hey. Now I've got to try and run. Ow, that hurts my lefty. That hurts my lefty. It's not your fault, it's Ronnie's. He's running too, so he's walking too quick. Let's go run past him. Stacks on Ronnie! Stacks on Ronnie! Stacks on Ronnie! When we get to Edwards Lake.
Why are you jogging there?
Because you were so far in front. That way you will catch up. You will catch up. Right out. That's what I said. It is right. I am in front. Oh, fuck you. Let's go play in their front yard. What have you done? If you press stop. Hey, there's more road up ahead.
It's not as bad as the roundabout near my place.
It's not as good as the roundabout at your place.
It's not as bad. But the motherfucker. Why are you running, bro? Seriously.
To make sure to get there before the water level goes back down. Melbourne don't have water. I'm running in the water. In water. Run in water. Ah, that makes me go quicker. Is Samantha away? Oh. Wait, car coming through.
Not only that, but wait for Samantha.
Where is she? Oh, there she is. Has she got no energy? Well, she does sit on the laptop all day, on chicken smoothie, and my emo book. She's taking her shoes off. Why did we go this way? You suck. Ooh, that one was close. It still missed me by centimetres. It probably would have curved too. It looked like you had spin on that one. Shut up. Yeah, we got pine trees. Oh no, they're not pine trees. We're nowhere near where. Then why are we going there? Oh, well, that hurt. These little balls are hurting my feet.
Why are we walking there?
Cause
We could have driven around the roundabout a couple times.
Ron doesn't want to. And then I decided to change my mind when the girls mentioned it.
And when you stood in glass.
It was a little after that. The glass made me want to look for more and I dropped it. Oh, well, I had to play back the video to find out if I did try.
He's got a pond.
He's got a pond? There's no water there, man. It should have a pond there. What happened to all the hail?
I missed the hail.
Yeah, bring back the hail. Oh, wait, we don't want that while it was late. Ow, 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 that hurt. Those little pricks. Oh, that hurt. Why am I the only one who's saying that? Kira, you're oblivious to that pain.
I'm touching them.
Ah, smart, very smart.
Every time you say ow, I dodge.
I should dodge in this place where I actually put my feet without hitting them.
Oh my god, watch out. I can't do it.
Is that meant to be a Nelly clip?
No.
That was close.
Water! My friend. Ironically, my star sign uses water, so...
Huh? Scorpio is a water,
Yes.
so we're water.
Haha.
Oh, how about that? No wonder I don't like getting wet.
And Kira's a Leo.
No wonder we get along. But apparently I get along with Leo. There's Montana live over here. I was going to say, get her out here, man. Tell her to get off her ass and come here now. so she can come and play in the water with us. She'll do it. She seems cool, man. Hey, they're gonna go in the water. Good man, good man.
It'd be funnier if we tracted it.
Tracted what?
Went through the water real fast.
Ow. Oh my God, have a look at that.
What?
Let's go jump in that.
My God, that's awesome.
Is that usually there? Oh,
No, it is not.
oh, I see what Ronnie's
Yes.
doing. All right, let's play. Woohoo! Yeah, woohoo! Play in the water. Oh shit. Holy shit. Wow. Don't run water over me. I never wet you. Oh, this is nearly as deep as it was outside your place. Yeah, as soon as I know where the gutter is, I can say it. Ooh, I found the gutter. I'm at the gutter now. Oh, yep, yeah, it's about as deep as yours. Ow. Oh. Okay, let's find out. Hey, this isn't Edwards Lake. You tricked me. Hey, this isn't stopping the flow of water. This is stopping the flow of water. Let's move it. Let's help the water go. Let's help. Oh, no it is. It's heavy. We found a boat. We got a boat. We got a boat now. La 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 la. Put this on the video, please. La 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 la.
Yeah. Actually, under that water, there's actually a pipe where the water's supposed to come through. But it's been completely flooded.